Okay, that's the case after it's been bored out. Okay, that's the case after it has 2 new bronze bushings put in it. That's where they come through the case.